arbitrationagreements.org. Hello everyone, we are here today to talk about a topic that affects many lives each year, the matter of divorce. Now, when it comes to divorce, there are generally two paths that can be taken: litigation or mediation. Let's take a moment to delve deep into these two options, and I bet by the end of this chat, you'll have a clear view of why mediation stands out as the better choice. Before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Now, let's start with litigation. Well, not exactly a picnic. You see, litigation tends to draw out the process, making it longer and more stressful. Picture this: a room filled with tension, where disagreements can escalate quickly. It's a known fact that litigation can often lead to a rise in hostility, which is not what we want, right? Now let's talk numbers, because we all know that stats don't lie. Did you know that the average cost of divorce litigation in the US can range from $15,000 to $30,000 per person? Yes, you heard it right, and it's not just the financial strain that we're talking about. The emotional toll, the time consumption, it's so much to handle. On the flip side, let's bring our focus to mediation. Mediation, friends, is like a breath of fresh air. Imagine being in a calm, cooperative space where you and your partner can work out issues amicably with the guidance of a neutral third party. It's about working together to find mutual ground, fostering understanding and promoting harmony. The atmosphere in mediation is geared towards facilitating communication and encouraging a peaceful transition. In fact, here's an interesting statistic to consider. Studies have shown that couples who opt for mediation are generally more satisfied with the outcomes compared to those who go through litigation. Plus, mediation often takes a lot less time, sometimes being resolved in just a couple of months, which means you can move forward with your life much sooner. And here's where we step in. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. Our experts are committed to making this positive approach more accessible to everyone. We've established ourselves as the top association in the country for providing affordable mediation. With us, you are not just getting a service, but a partner who walks with you, ensuring that the process is smooth, respectful, and considerate. So when standing at this crossroad, the choice seems pretty clear, doesn't it? Let's choose the path of peace, understanding, and cooperation. Let's choose mediation with arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about divorce mediation? Does it sound like a potential solution that's better for you and your family than court litigation? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.